beautiful people, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Ife and I am back again with another video. Guys, it's another beautiful day and we are up. We woke up a while ago, let's say like 2 hours ago, and the first thing I did was to bath the kids. Jason did not go to school today because Jason has been ill. That's not even the main issue. The main issue is that Adana also started running temperature. Last night I did not sleep. The night before I did not sleep. I was so scared because I don't like these kids getting sick. I don't like them running temperature because it feels like I am the one that has been sick. So whenever they are not feeling fine, it always shows in me. Like, now me they sick, not be themselves. So welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's be happy, guys, okay? Let me just share up. Jason is getting better. Adana, I believe she's going to get better, though she's doing fine now. Yeah, I believe it's going to be permanent. So guys, yeah, welcome. Oh god. Oh. This is the third day rather. Jason has not gone to school. He did not go to school on Friday because the day before he ran temperature. I said okay, let him not go to school Friday. Then Saturday he got better. On Sunday the temperature thing came back again. So yesterday it continued. Adana even started her own, so it was a little bit too much. So I said they should stay at home because even if I take them to school, they will still ask me to come and get him because they don't like they don't accept kids that are not feeling well in the school. Okay, if your child, even if your child is well before you take the child to school, if the child starts running temperature or start feeling unwell, they will ask you to come and get the child. So because of that, I said there is no point of taking Jason to school and they will still ask me to come there and take him. So yeah, that's why I said that you should stay at home until he gets better. Though we have some medications we've been giving him and those medications are doing wonders. Even Adana as well, I've been giving her medication and she's responding to treatment, because even if I take her to the hospital, they will still not give her injection or give her anything serious. Okay, so that is how it is here. So guys, yeah, like I told you guys, I finished bathing the kids. I want to, because I have a lot of things. I'm not taking breakfast and this is afternoon already. You did not wake up early and that is why I have not eaten my breakfast, but it's fine, it's okay, it's fine. As far as the kids are okay, me, I'll be fine. So the house everywhere is scattered, everywhere is messed up, like the sitting room, the bedrooms, the kitchen, everywhere is disorganized and messed up. So I want to tidy up the whole house and I would like you guys to come with me, okay? I want to do it fast because I'm even hungry, but what can I do now? Let me show you guys Jason and Adana before I continue, okay? If this is your first time here, my name is Ife. I'm a mommy YouTuber, lifestyle blogger based here in Germany. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you've not subscribed and turn on the bell notification. Jason. Hey, look at your nose, this boy. Ah. Guys, Jason likes to make noise, eh? Like, I don't know if you guys have kids. Does your kids make this kind of noise? Because Jason, the way he makes noise is too much. Stop making noise, stop shouting. See your food, you've not even eaten half. See what you are doing here, eh? The food I gave you since how many hours now? This is your baby, eh? You have to manage it. Oh god, guys, Jason, look at the food I gave him. He ate only the meat and he left the food like this. Stop that, don't do that. And I'm sure that he's tired of sitting down because he's been sitting down for a long time. He's tired of sitting down. So yeah, he wants to come down and start shouting. See Adana. Ada. Ada. Nene. How are you, my love? How are you, baby? Nene. Are you minding Jason that is crying? He just wants to cry, eh? Ada. Guys, this girl has been running temperature, eh? Sorry, my love, sorry, eh? How do you feel, my love? Eh? Do you feel good? Her body is still hot. At least she can move her hands by herself. She can do some things by herself. Look at her now. Show that she's doing well.
days, but there's something cold in the way you are. The things you said had me going good, but it left a scar. You invite me and then you turn me down. Get my hopes up and then you're gone. I fall for every word that you say to me. So hard, being drawn to you so easily. I am stuck in a loop of chemicals. What's the point of this? But I don't wanna be alone. I keep looking at my phone, but you never call me. And then I see you on the street, said your heart just skipped a beat, and that you miss me. It's always the same story with you, but I just cannot refuse you. I'm sad after this time that I'm out, that you leave me with this rush. Why am I so curious? So curious, so curious.
A few minutes later.
I'm done with tidying up the house. I've eaten. What else? I'm pretty done with everything. I want to film a sit-down video. I don't know if that will be possible, but I will see. Adana is still sleeping. She woke up a while ago and she cried for about 1 minute, and when I didn't answer her, she went back to sleep. Jason, hi, you too like attention. Allow me now. Wait, what are you doing? So the sit down video I want to film, I don't really know. Honestly, I don't know. Oh yeah, come on. I'm so happy that these children, that they are getting better, guys. I am so happy. Like, I don't know what's been happening, honestly. It's like every 2 weeks Jason comes back from school with cold. This has been consistent for the past 2 months. I don't really know what to do, and when he comes back with it, Adana will contract it. Like, it has been like this the past 2 to 3 months, and I'm not finding it funny anymore, because I can't be treating cold every 2 weeks. Guys, it is too much. People that have children, I don't know if this is how your home is, because having to treat cold every 2 weeks, guys, is not easy. It is not easy, and I have other things that I have to do. Jason, why are you scattering this bread here now? People that have children that go to school, do your children come back every week or 2 weeks with cold? Because this is too much for me. I don't know if this is how it happens in every home. Jason, no, God, what is it? Bread. I go and pick it. Guys, it is too much for me. It is too much. Ezoku. Like, wait. Like, I have really tried my best. Like, been having running nose. Look at his nose. And how it usually starts is from cold. Stop clapping. I didn't ask you to clap. From cold, it will start running temperature, and from there it will enter another thing. Like, I am really tired. I'm tired of treating cold every 2 weeks. I am tired. And also, each time he starts, he will not go to school. He will stay at home for that very period. What is it again? I'll go and pick it. The bread is finished. You can go and get the one on the table. Let me give you. Having to treat cold every 2 weeks, it is tiring. It's tiring for me. Whenever Jason is at home, he deprives me from doing a lot of things that I will have to do, especially when it comes to my channel and other things, like other personal stuff that I will have to do for myself. Sorry. Whenever he's in school, I feel like I have that time to take care of myself, do some things that I'll have to do for myself. And yeah, even though Adana does not make things easier, but with Adana it's easier than Jason, because Adana, I can always, whenever she sleeps, I can always put her on the bed and I will go and do what I want to do. But with Jason, Jason does not like sleeping, especially in the daytime. He hardly sleeps. So guys, I have something I'm planning, okay? With time, you guys are going to see it. Daddy. Daddy is not here. Daddy is not here. He's not back yet. Daddy is not here. Okay. Oh my God. It's very cold. I think we've entered winter. Look at how everywhere is. Oh my God. It's very cold, guys. That's why it sounds like I'm crying, but I'm not crying. You guys. Okay. This is what I want to show you guys. Jason, Papa is not here. Stop making noise. So here is the plants. My plants. I got this aloe vera plant from the store, I think about a month ago. Since I bought this, I don't even remember to water it. It's my husband that do the watering, and in fact I hardly come out of this place safe. My husband, he does most of the things that we do outside here, so that's why I don't come out most of the time. Yeah, but I just came out and I saw it and I decided to show you guys. Do you guys love my new plants? Do you like it? It's growing. Don't come outside, it's cold here. Go baby. I have a lot of sit down videos I am supposed to film. In fact, I've been saying that I will film a sit down video, I will film a sit down video, I will film a sit down video. It's been weeks and I keep postponing it because it's well with my life. And today of all days I wanted to do it. I said that I must do it. Now look at how it has turned out. I was not able to film it again today. I would have said let me film it in the night, but I don't have the ring light. The ring light that I have here is small. Just leave here. Don't touch my phone. So I need a bigger ring light, like something that is more wider than the one that I have here. The one I have here is 10 inches and I want something bigger. So yeah, hopefully sorry, I've searched Amazon and I could not find anyone, so I hope that I'll be able to find one soon. Yeah, I will still search on Amazon. Let me see if I can get anyone. But yesterday I went through Amazon, I did not see anyone that is big. I kept on seeing the 10 inches. I could not see the one that I want, and I really want a very big one. Maybe we'll go to the shop when my husband is back. I will tell him so that we'll go to a shop so that I can make my selection and choose the one that I want. That's just it. Okay guys, yeah, that is it for this video. Did you enjoy this vlog, guys? Tell me in the comment section. I will have to end it here. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you don't subscribe, and turn on the bell notification. Until I talk to you guys again. Bye. Just leave here.